cravings. And most of the time, I go to some place like McDonald's or Starbucks or Subway or, whatever place might supply me with what I desire, which is usually an egg sandwich. Well, today I am going to show you how to make your very own egg sandwich from home. So when you get those cravings, you can just whip it up at home. Isn't that wonderful?
Wait a second, Fergie. Don't you need to fry an egg to make an egg sandwich?
Well, of course. You can't have an egg sandwich without frying or cooking an egg of some sort.
Do you even know how to fry an egg?
How dare you question if I can fry an egg or not? The humanity, we're not people, the animosity.
All right, if you say so.
So here is what you will need. Of course, you are going to need your lovely eggs. So perfect and round and white, just like me. And then you will also need some English muffins to put your egg on. But just having an egg and English muffin isn't the best or the tastiest. So today I will add on some onion and some sausage to put in a little bit of meat into our protein for, iron or whatever. I was told it was meant for a balanced diet. And I can't say no to sausage, so why not? And to top it all off, we will need a secret ingredient, and that is olive oil. Oh, I can't wait to cook it up. Let's get started.
Hey, what be going on? Oh, just some scavenger cooking thing. Can Fergie fry eggs?
Are ye kidding? It's Fergie. She can't even make a peanut butter sandwich. Why, is she gonna fry an egg?
Well, she said she was going to. Oh, this is gonna be good. Hey, Avery, get over here, quick.
The first step is to turn on the stove.
Yeah, that's the number 2, not the number 6. You don't want to turn it up too high now. Now, I am going to get a knife to cut our English muffin in half. I did it. Now I am going to put the English muffin on our frying pan here to get the bread nice and toasty. Perfect. While our English muffin is getting nice and toasty, I am going to cut our onions. See? Oh my gosh, she's actually doing it. Yeah, I know, it's gonna be good. Perfect! Now I'm going to cut our sausage. I need a better knife. At the rate she's going, she's gonna cut off a paw or a tail or something. Oh, one can hope. Oh, what a ripoff! Not a literal ripoff, mind you. Was that really necessary? Yes. And And now we will add a little bit of olive oil into the pan for our fried egg. Woo! Ooh, clean up on aisle 3. Ugh, if she has trouble with the olive oil, how is she gonna crack the egg and put it in the pan? And now we will add one delicious egg to the frying pan. Haha. This one looks good. Oh, what? She could do that? Maybe it's like on NBC Hannibal, where Mads Mikkelsen couldn't get that potato on the knife, but somehow he could crack an egg perfectly in half. Yeah, that's not fair. How come she gets the special Mads Mikkelsen wits? One thing's for sure, that egg is covered in olive oil. Yeah, I think I take me chances with McDonald's. Now that we have our perfect fried egg, it is time to put the sandwich together. Oh, get off my mouth. Puh.
Well, I did it. I made the perfect egg sandwich. Now, which one of you sweets would like to try my delectable creation?
No, I got a thing. Come on, Bambi. Yeah.
More for me, I guess. Well, that is all for Scavenger cooking. If you liked watching me make a fabulous dish, go ahead and put a pause up and press that like button. And don't forget to comment and subscribe as well so I can keep making more fabulous, delicious dishes for you. Until next time, kisses! Mwah! 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 Is it supposed to smell like it's burning?